channel Nenu Vishweta. Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. Today I'm going to showcase lovely and very budget friendly Banarasi Kora sarees. Let's have a look. Here we go with this lovely saree, beige combination with all over floral jal and Meena florals. And the border we have designer border andi, zari designer border, like waves shape lo vachayi, and with the edge contrast, pink edge. And this is the pallu, florals andi, brocade vachindi, curvy brocade. And the blouse is self brocade blouse with border. The saree cost 2300 andi. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir and press the bell icon so that you will be getting notifications for further exclusive collections to watch. Here we go with this one more lovely golden beige Banarasi Kora saree with all over floral jal design and along with the floral booties. And the border, both sides diamond kaddi border with edge contrast. And this is the pallu, lovely brocade, diamond brocade pallu. And the blouse is self color with border. It's a brocade blouse. And this lovely saree costs just 1909 rupees. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Lovely cream saree and Kora saree with all over diamond design, and dan lopala chinna dots design vachindi. And upper side we have floral border, downside we have diamond along with the floral border. ఇదంతా డైమండ్ ఫ్లోరల్ వచ్చాయండి, డైమండ్ షేప్లో ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ ద పళ్ళు కంప్లీట్లీ సేమ్ ఏదైతే మనకు బార్డర్లో వచ్చిందో అలాగే వచ్చింది పళ్ళు కూడా. అండ్ ద బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ సెల్ఫ్ కలర్ విత్ బార్డర్. అండ్ ద సారీ కాస్ట్ 2600. లెట్స్ సీ ద ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ. Do visit our website www.brandmandir.com for more exclusive designer and lovely collections. Here we go with this one more saree which is in baby pink and all over zigzag design. And the border, upper side we have florals, downside we have diamond shaped florals and small floral design. And the pallu is same as border, downside border, florals, diamond shaped florals. And the blouse is self color with border. And this lovely saree costs 2600. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Here we go with the sea green saree, Kora saree, all over floral jar along with the lovely roses. And the border, both sides diamond floral border. And this is the pallu, completely floral pallu. Small floral booties andi. And the blouse is self color with border. And this lovely saree costs 3000. Let's see the overall look of the saree. చూస్తున్నారు కదండి మా కలెక్షన్స్. మీరు చేయాల్సిందల్లా ఒకటే, మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి 7337337000 నంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీ కాంటాక్ట్లోకి వస్తారు. హియర్ వి గో విత్ దిస్ లవ్లీ పిస్తా గ్రీన్ సారీ విత్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ డైమండ్ షేప్డ్ బూటీస్. అండ్ అప్పర్ సైడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ క్రాస్ అండ్ zigzag brocade border. And downside we have leaves, cross and zigzag brocade border. And మధ్యలో మనకి టిష్యూ వచ్చిందండి ఇక్కడ and the pallu completely cross brocade, and the blouse is self color with border, and this lovely saree costs 2600. Once again I repeat అండి, these are budget friendly sarees and చాలా రిచ్ లుక్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో చాలా మంది అడుగుతున్నారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళందరి కోసం ఈ సారీస్ అండి. Here we go with this royal yellow lovely saree with all over diamond florals and square shaped florals, and the borders, upper side we have floral border, downside we have floral vines along with the diamond brocade, diamond shape of florals vachayandi, and this is the pallu, complete floral jal, and the blouse is self color with border, and the saree costs 2900. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Here we go with this lovely magenta color saree. With middle we have very intricate design, and here we have tissue. Up and down we have tissue, and middle we have intricate design with booties, and the border is diamond brocade border both sides with pasleys, thread pasleys. And this is the pallu, complete brocade pallu. The blouse is self color with border, and this lovely saree costs 1909 rupees. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Lovely peach kora saree. Here we go with the lovely design, lines along with the dotted florals, and upper side we have zigzag and cross brocade, and downside we have kati along with the diamond design and zigzag design border. And this is the pallu, completely cross kati, and the blouse is self color with border, and this lovely saree costs 2600. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Here we go with this lovely grey kora saree, Banarasi kora saree with all over geometric floral design along with the diamonds and florals. Thread and zari weave andi, and the border is diamond brocade with floral vines both sides. The pallu is completely diamond brocade. The blouse is self color with border, and the saree costs 3000. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Here we go with this lovely pale yellow saree, kora saree with all over dots and square booties, and the border diamond brocade along with the temple both sides. The pallu is completely diamond brocade, and the blouse is self color with border, and this lovely saree costs 3200. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir and press the bell icon so that you will be never missed our collections to watch. Here we go with the sea green saree, kora saree with all over floral jal design, and we have meenakari floral booties, and we have both sides zigzag border along with the temples, and the pallu completely cross kaddi. The blouse is self with border, and the saree costs 3200. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Lovely peach kora saree with all over floral jal design, completely curves with zari, leaves, and we have thread, white colored thread to manaki birds shape lo oka motif vachindandi ikkada. ఆల్ ఓవర్గా శారీ అంతా వచ్చాయి అలాగే. అండ్ బార్డర్ వీ హ్యావ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఫ్లోరల్ జామెట్రిక్ డిజైన్ వచ్చింది, జామెట్రిక్ ఫ్లోరల్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద పింక్ జరీ థ్రెడ్ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ ద పల్లు ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ జామెట్రిక్ బ్రొకేడ్ అండి. ద బ్లౌజ్ ఈస్ సెల్ఫ్ కలర్ విత్ బార్డర్ and the saree cost 3000. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Here we go with this lovely variety ga undandi, chaala different ga undi. White మీద black lines వచ్చాయి and దాంట్లో all over ga floral weave వచ్చాయి, floral vines వచ్చాయి, lavender color roses వచ్చాయండి all over ga. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా డీసెంట్గా క్లాసీగా ఉంది శారీ. అండ్ ద బార్డర్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ పింక్ బార్డర్ అండి, విత్ ఎడ్జ్ ఉంది, పింక్ ఎడ్జ్, ఎల్లో కలర్ ఎడ్జ్ వచ్చింది, కంప్లీట్ బ్రొకేడ్ వచ్చిందండి మధ్యలో. అండ్ పల్లు డైమండ్ బ్రొకేడ్ అండ్ ద బ్లౌజ్ ఈస్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ బార్డర్ అండ్ ది శారీ కాస్ట్ 1799. లెట్స్ సీ ద ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఆఫ్ ది శారీ. లవ్లీ గ్రే కలర్ అండ్ మెరూన్ కాంబినేషన్ అండి, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది, విత్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ ద బార్డర్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద pallu, completely floral brocade. Blouse is contrast with border, lovely brocade blouse, and the saree cost 1800. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Lovely mint green saree, Kora saree with all over diamond design along with the floral booties, and the border upper side we have small floral border and downside we have small floral border along with the floral vines. And the pallu completely floral jal. And here we go with the blouse, self color with border, and the saree cost 4400. Lovely peach saree andi, all over floral jal and meena to florals vachai, and the border both sides a curvy border with antique zari and the edge contrast, and the pallu spherical design along with the floral booties. The blouse is self brocade blouse with border and the saree cost 2300. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Do visit our website www.brandmandar.com for more exclusive and latest collection, and we have designer collections too. So visit our website for more collections. And here we go with this lovely yellow and red Kora saree, Banarasi Kora, with all over floral jal and florals with zari and thread. And we have both sides floral border, contrast floral border. And the pallu is floral brocade. Blouse is contrast blouse with border and the saree cost only 1800. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Lovely multicolor andi, checks vachai, yellow and brown color combination lo, checks lopala leaves and different intricate designs vachayandi all over body. Yellow and green, Rama green combination lo undandi, and border pipe border vachesi kaddi border, downside we have kaddi along with the floral booties, and the pallu is completely brocade andi, floral brocade with paisleys and leaves vachai, chaal different ga vachindi pallu, and the blouse is contrast with brocade, checks and border, and the saree cost 1800. here we go with this tissue saree and silver and gold combination lo undi. Silver ochindi saree anta rama green border ochindi, all over checks vachai and gold leaves and blocks design ochindi. Upper side we have kadi border, down side we have kadi along with the floral booties, and the pallu is completely brocade with pastelis and leaves. Blouse is contrast with border, it's a brocade blouse, and the saree cost 1800. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Hope you liked our today's collection. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి వెంటనే వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 7337337000. We provide global courier service and stay shopping at Mandir. Stay fit, stay healthy.